Here's a quick guide to setting up your cabin tent. Step 1. Unpack your tent and lay it completely flat on level ground. Extend the poles until they click and lock. Attach all clips to the tent poles. Step 4. Secure all corners with ground stakes. Step 5. Throw on the rainfly and hook it into place. Step 6. Tighten the guy lines for maximum stability. Quick tip: if a pole pops out, simply align the base and snap it back into the socket.